Hey lovelies, I'm Angelle and I hope you're having a great day today. Now, I'm currently walking Archie. It is Monday the 23rd, I think. So first day, Archie, settle down. First day of our spring holidays officially. And yeah, so I'm just going to be vlogging it. Oh, and sorry if you can't hear me. I don't really know if it works with headphones in, and also there's a really busy road with heaps of trucks going past, and also it's like almost 8 o'clock in the morning, so a heap of people would be going to work. So yeah. So it's now like an hour later. Just ate breakfast and okay, I'll set up. I'm gonna go to the beach soon. My hair looks a bit, oh well. Do you like my nails? They're a little bit messy, but I did them yesterday, and pretty much I'm feeling weird. So my head, it feels like someone's going like that, like constantly really hard on my head, and like I wouldn't say it's painful, and then my throat's like only a little tiny bit slightly sore, but like not that bad. So yeah, hopefully I'll feel better later. Yeah, I'm going to the beach. First swim of the season, of this spring summer season. I haven't gone for a swim since like maybe like May, April. I don't really know, but I'm happy, and I'm back in my singlet dresses. My togs on. I'll show you my outfit. It's just this t-shirt dress, and I love this. It's from Sports Girl. I got it last year, but I just love it, and it's a really great length, and it's so comfy. Like the material is soft, and yeah.
Let's wait.
Hi puppies!
Dash!
You don't want to walk, do you, man?
Probably the best spot to throw it. Throw it as far as you can that way.
Okay, go throw the frisbee. Whoa! Look at
Archie
the long
wants to go on the hill.
trek to the water.
Archie wanted to go on the hill.
Oh, Christmas. I found a free frisbee.
Oh my gosh!
Run, run.
Come on, Dash! Come on! Dash! Run! Run, baby! Oh, I'm too tired. Oh. You want a belly rub? Oh, here you go, baby. There we go. Hey, me!
Abby, let's go get some of the plastic.
It'd be so tired because you swim all that way. All the way across there. And now he's not even going to be able to get back. Oh, and Archie's digging a hole. Archie! Stop! Wait, can you hold on to him? So I can put my phone back up. Oh, is he coming back?
Yeah.
Now? He's trying to come back. And there's a boat coming past. They probably like get run over by. It's a fun time. Look at him! Oh my god. Do you reckon he's stupid, Hamish?
Yes.
He's a bit dumb. Hamish is trying to attack me with his sand. Look at my leg. Hey. He's running. Ah! Hamish! No! Are you tired?
Yeah.
Why did you swim across there?
I don't know. I felt like it.
Yeah, well, it's a bit stupid. Are you cold?
A little bit.
Yeah, well, the water's pretty cold. There's Madeline's tail. You're a mermaid. Look at this. Granddad, what's the name of the fruit thing? What's the name of the plant fruit thing that's in it?
Cactus.
Cactus. I thought cactus was green.
The leaf is.
Oh,
The fruit.
well, it's very red. And it's just mixed with water?
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Water and those seed pods.
we've got our volcanoes.
Water and seed pods.
Yeah. And we're
So
going
the
to...
water does nothing.
Yeah.
Angelle, do you want to come and see my mermaid with the face?
What was that name
Sure.
of that show you used to watch, Angelle? That the two girls were mermaids. Or...
H2O.
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
my face.
that's so cute.
And
Good job. Good job.
Archie.
that I know how to make mermaids.
Very clever.
Whoa.
I got my hat.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, don't even drink that.
Dash. Is that sand? Does that
Yes,
sand taste good?
It's sand.
Does that sand taste good?
There's one canal and then make one more.
Ready?
Now, do it again.
Ready, set, boom.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh,
Well,
Look at that.
not out yet.
wait.
Pretty cool.
Oh, there's still seeds in that.
That's cool. Look, they're all pink.
Pink sand.
Oh my god, this is Madeline's my castle. And then this is Dash's throne. Archie, what you up?
Yeah.
Okay, Dash.
Archie, what you up? Go on, Dash.
Okay, Dash, come across into your throne. Throne and sit. That's all they want you to do, darling, is to sit.
Get about it.
Good boy, Dad. Is it really warm? Look at the rock pools. You want to swim? Go on, dive. Yeah, it's way warmer than the other one. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Dash. Hi, Cha-Cha.
There's
Harry, you're gonna kill someone.
there's some more.
What are you guys doing?
Harry, where are the rest of the markers? We had more. Pick up one, okay?
Where are they? Oh, we can't see the catfish.
Yeah, Harry, you see how we got the market out?
Where? Hey, Mish. Doing here with the dash. Oh, Dash. And hop down. You can hop down. Wait, look at where Dash climbed up.
You need another player.
Hop down, Dash.
Another player. Yeah.
Dash. Hop down. No. We're back home now. Oh, my head hurts so bad. Like, earlier I'm pretty sure I said about how my head feels so weird. Oh, I'm just gonna have a bit of a lay down. But like, yeah, my throat's only a little bit sore, but then my head is like, so yeah. Wait, did I get a bit sunburnt? I hope not. So it is now 4:30 and I just had a shower. I'm gonna shower bath to try and make myself feel a bit better. But the lighting's really gross, but I'm still feeling not very well. So I don't want to be sick. It's just the first day of holidays and I'm going camping in like 3 days. And usually a cold lasts that long. and my cousins are here and I'm going to spend time with them. That's who you saw in the other clips, because they don't live here. So yeah, I might just have to tomorrow just take it as like a rest day. Also, my hair is gross, even though I did not put it in the water. Ew. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. So, classic style for me. Didn't end the vlog. It's literally like a week later. Yeah, it's Sunday after I finished vlogging. Just got back from the camping trip. It was still super fun. My throat's still slightly sore. Pretty much healed. But what I was gonna say is that the next day I kind of just laid in bed all day. I felt really sick. Watched YouTube and Netflix. The day after that, I pretty much did that again. And then the day after, I went camping. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any other video ideas you have, and of course subscribe. Bye.